If you look at the chart of S&P 500, we have seen from 2021 there is a continuous rise. Okay, if you look at the chart from after, once the pandemic has closed and what we have seen, the lockdown has opened, what we have seen, it has tried to move upside. Okay, and gained around $4811 top high. After that we have seen a sharp fall, middle of around $3636, and from there we have seen it has tried to move upside and made a swing at this particular level, $4321, and now currently trading at around $4067. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, that there is a pattern forming. Okay, you have to understand there is a cup pattern forming, so probability will be very high that if the price goes below a level of $3908, then there is a higher probability we can see it can move further down towards a level of $3832. As you know that S&P 500 able to reclaim its 50 days moving average in Friday's rally. Okay, and as we know that it is on Tuesday, stock do face test in Tuesday's consumer price index as a data point that could help the Federal to decide how much to raise the interest later this month. Okay, so a probability will be there that if this particular level didn't sustain and goes below a level of $3832, then only we can see it can move further down, because a cup pattern will form which is a high probability it can move further down, opposite cup pattern. Okay, but otherwise if it goes above a level of 4184, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $4317, and this particular resistance is a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see it can go towards a level of 4377, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $4812 also, and then further upside also we can see for S&P 500. If we talk about SQ, we can see that the price of SQ currently trading at around $41.84. Okay, and there is a U pattern forming. After that what we have seen, a continuous downfall in a descending order. It has tried to move upside, but we have seen a strong resistance formed at around $48.33. It has made it down, and suppose if particularly it is trading at around now $41.84. Suppose if this level sustained, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of $48.22. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go towards a level of $55.22, and from there we can see it can go further upside, because most of the resistance are being a weak resistance, so we can see it can go further upside. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because what we can see here, a cup pattern is forming. Okay, as we know that in the third week or fourth week of March we have seen this particular support is being formed and a swing form at this particular level, so which shows that probability will be very high we can see it can move further down. Okay, because we can see a cup pattern is forming. Okay, so now suppose if this particular level sustain, it can go towards a level of around 49.15, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 58.74 and then further high. But if it goes below a level of this particular range of 41.84, which is trading at, okay, it can touch a level of $40.12, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $36.83. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $33, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $27.79, and this level is already being a weak support, so we can see it can move further down. So you have to be very careful if the price fall below a level of around 36.83, because this is a weak support, so probability is high we can see it can move further low towards a level of 34.91, and from there we can see a level of 32.72, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if we talk about TQQQ, you will understand that if it is currently trading at around $29.84. Okay, and suppose if this particular level sustain, which is at a higher probability because we can see it is moving in the ascending order towards an upside, if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $31.72. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $34.56. Okay, and this resistance is already being a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see it can go and touch a level of around $39.13, and if this level sustain 34.56, Okay, or if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of $29.10. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $28.01. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $25.82, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $23.86. Okay, and suppose the price fall below that particular level, then there is a higher probability of touching $22.86, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,